Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Ako nga pala ulit si Dan, nagbabilis pa ni bagong video kung saan ko rin yung trick or treat. Well, ngayon, lalarin natin is 2 games. Bonus yan kasi next week ay Halloween na raw kuno, and dito sa Pilipinas, pag araw ng mga patay nila, may mga libreng pagkain sa sementeryo. Well, doon sa sementeryo, di ka maubusan ng pagkain. Hindi ka magugutom. Alam mo bakit? Eat all you can yun nandun. And ano pa hinihintay natin? Lalaroin na natin tong game. So it's the time to play this game. Okay, wait. The heck? Ang baba ng sensitivity. Taasan natin. Gusto ko yung maalog. Yan. Oh, Michael. Shoutout sa'yo, Mike. Nandito ka na naman. I'm back here again. Space. A place that feels so familiar to me. Maybe I can press the S key to adjust the sensitivity. Oh, I know. Nagawa ko na. Okay. Talk to the neighbor. Bro, ang crispy. Ang crispy niya naman. It's me. I'm here to tidy up my parents' house and stay for a while. Si Gretchen. Oh! You are Michael! Long time no see. How have you been lately? Oh, si tayo ba yun? How have you been lately? Okay, tayo nga. Same as always. Your parents' house is the one with the light on at the door. Thank you. By the way, you should be careful these days. Well, may mga trahedya na naman nangyari. And di ko alam kung bakit. Ano nga yung game na to? Trick or treat. So, may mga ganito talagang pangyayari. Kung napanood yun yung Halloween na palabas, si Michael Myers yung kalaban doon. And yun nga, tuwing Halloween daw siya lumalabas. Nagsisik ng revenge sa kapatid niya mas pangani sa kanya. Hindi ko alam. Kalimutan ko na. Did something happen? A while ago, there was a red glow coming from the second floor of your parents' house. And it looked like some strange people broke in. Bro, what? I was worried it was a fire, so I called the police. Dapat lang. Hindi yung nakatingin ka lang dyan, ha, Gretchen, maraming salamat. At tinawag mo yung mga police. Ano sabi nila? But the police didn't find anything. Maybe my old eyes were playing tricks on me. Hindi ako naniniwala, Nay. Alright. I'll keep an eye out. Go on then, dear. Remember to get some candy ready. Even though it's a bit late, kids might still come by. Thanks, I will. Salamat. Bawal ko na siya interact. So, saan daw banda ito? Oh. Hindi. Saan banda? Laban tayo. Oh, may flash. If I'm not mistaken, this is Frank's house. My best friend from when we were kids. Oh. That's weird. You should be home at this hour. But all the doors and windows are shut tight. Like he's been away for ages. So matagal na yung kaibigan mo hindi mo nakikita? O hindi ko sure. Hindi ko alam. Pwede ba natin puntahan? Bawal. Ito ba yung bahay natin? Ba't iba yung ilaw? We have... So, dito yun. Ano ba? Di ba tayo mag... Oh! Sa flash. Akala ko... Too dark. Press F to turn on. It's so dark. I should turn on the lights. Okay. Oh, so may... Dito, ano meron dito? Ano to? Turn all the lights. 3 out of 10. Okay. Ba't ang kalat? Do something else. So, akit tayo ng taas. This is my room. Room ko ba to? Parang kinakabahan ako. Like, feel ko may jump scare. May remote, may TV. Oh. May books. Oh, another bathroom. What's something propping this up? Or what? So, ano pa hindi natin nabubuksan na, ilaw? Labas? Oh, labas nga. Now, it finally feels like home. I'll go get the candy ready now. It should be in the kitchen. Okay? Shut this door. And nandito sa kitchen, may hugasan. Ano to, baso? Nabubuksan ba to? Oh. Oh, yun, candy. M&M's. Ito, mga candy rin ba to? Pour the candy in the bowl. Ito ba yung bowl? Bowl. Ah! Asan yung bowl? Where's the freaking bowl? Oh, here. Can give the candy. They expired. But they should still be okay to eat, right? Bro, yung ikaw bibigyan, magagalit ka eh. Kung ikaw bibigyan ng expired na candy. Now I can go do something else. Okay? Find the scissor in the garden. Pulls out the weeds. Okay. Gabi mo yung gagawin. That annoying weeds. Dapat sa umaga yung ginagawa, bro. Hindi sa gabi. So, saan ko kukunin yung gunting? Pambira. Oh! Dito pala nakasabit. Okay. Oh, ada! Oh, kailangan mo tadta rin. Tama ba? Done. The scissors, garden, oh, may tao na. Wait a minute. Kaping mainit. Check the front door. Oh, mga bata nga. Hello. Lah, cute. Pusa. Trick or treat. Happy Halloween, kids. Wait a minute. I'll go get the candy. Okay, wait lang. Ilang mga boy. Kunin ko yung mga candy para sa inyo. And here you go. Here's your candy, kids. Thank you. Bye-bye. Ang cute nito. Ang cute nitong isa. Pusa. Bro, what? But, wait lang. Ba't ganyan kulay ng kamay niya? That's weird. So, clean up the trash. Okay, itong kalat. Okay. What the heck is that? Okay. Break, bro. Ang gulat ako, bigla nabukas ang pinto. Okay. Throw it in the... Ah! Vera. Freak, who are you? You scared the hell out of me. Sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. I'm just in a panic. I get that you're in a hurry, but please calm down first. My kid is missing. Have you seen him? Your kid? He's wearing a red jacket. He should have come here with his friend. What do you mean? He must be here with you. Wala akong kasama ibang tao dito. Kung may tinutukoy ka man, well, pumunta na sila dito nang galing na. Calm down. Oh, babae pala tayo. Calm down, ma'am. Two kids came by for candy earlier. You can check the neighborhood across the street. He's been missing for days. My baby. Nalungkot si ate. Bro. What the hell are these Halloween trash? Who dumped this here? Disgusting. There's a weird stench too. Bro, what the heck? Suman sa Cavite. Hindi naman basura yan. Suman yan sa Cavite. Go to bed. Oh! Kumba. What the heck, bro? Suman sa Cavite. Naglag. May kamay. Okay. So, hindi ko ba pwede i-report to? Red jacket? Oh, hindi. Purple to. Ma'am, ito ba yung tutukoy mong anak mo? Okay. Kita tayo sa taas. Pero ano yun? What the heck is that thing? Ano meron dito? Michael, what are these? Who did this in my house? Alright, Mrs. Gretchen mentioned it earlier. It must be some stupid kids pulling a prank. I clean this up tomorrow morning. I've got another things to take care of first. What the heck, bro? Ang creepy. Okay, sarado natin to. Nandun yung suma ng Cavite. It's already 12:53 a.m., I guess. Oh, late na nga raw. Finally, I can go to sleep. What a tiring night. What the freak? Why are all the lights out? This house is so old. Probably the circuit breaker tripped. The circuit breaker's in the basement. I can probably find a key in my parents' room space. I'm so tired. Once I fix this, I'm going to bed right away. Okay. In your parents' room? Where? Ito? Hindi natin pwede isara yan. May baba tayo. So, ang creepy ah. What the heck, bro? It's damp, filthy, covered in weird bloodstains. Must be rats or some kind of strange animal that got into air vents. So, nasan yung ano natin? Iba natin pwede kunin itong pala. Okay, ito. Finally fix it. Finally fix it. This old house. Finally fix it. This old house. Now I can go back and get a good night's sleep. So, mayroon pala sa likod natin eh, no? Oh! Oh, bro. Sino ka? The freak? Wala bang crouch? Naaras tayo. My beautiful little bed. I'm back. Nothing's gonna stop me from sleeping right now. Oh! Sino yun? Jeez. Who the hell is ringing the doorbell at this hour? It's already midnight. Ah, fine. I guess I have to check. Wait, pwede natin i-check dito eh. Oh, hindi. Huh? What? This is my candy bomb. Why is it here? Did someone break into my house or this is a prank? I'm getting... Bro, weird. Weird stuff happening right now. So, lalagay natin to, babalik natin dito. Ninakaw ba? Saan ba? Okay. What's that sound? It's like someone whispering right in my ear. I'm kinda scared. Hoy, sino yan, bro? Rado nga natin to. Sino yan? Bro, ba't ikaw lang kasi mag-isa dito? Huh? Anything unusual? Aldin! Bata! Next. Huh? Who did this? I'm about to throw up. It's Halloween trash. And there are weird words written in the wall. Is this prank? It must have been those two kids earlier. Was it because I gave them expired candy? Bro. Prank ba yan? Suma na naman sa Cavite. Okay. Go to bed. Oh. Frick. Bro, ba't naging mga mata yan? Anyari? Huh? What the hell is this? I must be hallucinating from tiredness, right? I need to go to sleep right now. Right now. Okay. But first, I need to turn off the lights. Oh! Bro, what? What? What the freak? Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh! Oh, please! Bro, ni-smash nila ulo natin. Okay. So, ilulure natin sila dito. Silang dalawa. Run. Bro, tumatay pala ibo ko! Oh, please! Ah! Electrical box, fuse box. Ah! What the frick? What the heck? Saan nanggaling yun? Ah! Nabon nila tayo. Okay. Okay, run. Oh, gulit ako. Ah, takbo! Bro, ang galing. Nangahabol siya. Umagapang. Don't stop running. Oh, bro, ba't naging red light lahat to? Wala pang Christmas. Oo, abulibo ko. Bro, what the heck? Ay, dito yung labasan, di ba? Ay, ako, takal tulag. I ran on instinct. Oh, I ran on instinct and fled the house. I didn't dare look back. All I could hear. It wasn't long before the police and fire trucks arrived at the scene. I could not bring myself to go back there again, and all I heard was the day. Two of them were children, and one was an adult. What? According to the foreign report, they had died in the fire, and their eyeballs were missing. In other words, they've been dead for several days before. As I suspected, the body in the blue clothes was Frank, my long missing neighbor and good friend since the bodies. Ah, okay. And everybody goes, okay. Yung dalawang bata kanina, patay na pala talaga. Yung nag-trick or treat sa atin. This my first personal game. Thank you to 10,000 followers on Bilibili. Thanks to my family and girlfriend who support him. Wow! Well, you're so lucky, boy. Maraming salamat. Well, oh, wait. Nangyari. Well, and well, thank you. I appreciate this game. Ang ganda for me. Kahit short game lang siya. And putik na yan. Tinabahan ako dun Puro, puro habulan. Then, now in my theory, well, yung dalawang bata dun na nag-trick or treat sa atin kanina, patay na sila. And ang weird kasi yung maglakad ng isa, like yung nakamaskot na pusa, like yung kamay niya nagba-violet. Then yung kaibigan natin, yung neighbor natin, nawawala na rin daw, matagal na, several days, I guess. Then, yun nga. And di ko alam kung ano nangyari sa kanila. Hindi ko sure kasi, like, may pumatay sa kanila. Pinasok yung bahay natin, tas doon sila pinatay. Then may nagre-ritual kanina, nakita nyo doon sa kwarto ng parents niya. Hindi ko na alam. Like, wala talaga, hindi sinabi dito kung saan nagsimula or sino gumawa nitong mga pagpatay na to. So the next game is One Halloween Night. So lalaroin na natin siya. Let's go. It's Halloween night and you've got the house to yourself. Your grandmother had a sudden injury and your parents thought it was best to spend the night with her just to be safe. Oh, as you are 14 now, your parents kept you home for the night to manage the trick-or-treaters. The trick-or-treaters. Just after your parents left home, you bought a small box of candy and prepared for the evening. They should only be gone for the night and everything should run smoothly. Okay, so naiwan lang tayo. 14 years old lang tayo na iniwan tayo sa bahay. And tayo mag-aasikaso sa mga batang mag-trick or treat para sa atin. Uy, pick up. Pick up? Pick up. Okay, honey. I'll be at Grandma's overnight. Sana ako nag-overnight. Ba't di nyo ako sinama, boy? Ay, ba't di nyo sinama, ma? Ha? Iniwan nyo ako mag-isa dito, tas Halloween pa. Pag Halloween talaga, may mga masamang trahedya nangyayari, tas iniwan nyo pa ako. Doctor said it's nothing to worry about. But Dad suggested that we stay with her for the night. Yeah, I got the candy by the way. Oh, good! Just remember to clean the yard. If the kids leave wrappers everywhere, you know how it gets. Yeah, okay, love ya. Love you, Mom. Ta-ta-ta. Oh, and don't freak yourself out if you hear anything strange downstairs. The old water pump has been acting up recently. It sometimes makes up some struggling noises. If it starts up, just go down and give it a smack. That should temporarily stop the noise. So, babatukan natin para tumigil. Got it, love you. Love you too, honey. Ta-ta-ta. Okay. Oh, phone call. Well, it seems to be getting late. I should probably get set up. Candy for the ball should be in my bedroom, if I remember correctly. Okay. So, yung right click. What? Bro, parang ang ganda ng animation. Breaking news. So, akala ko may tragedy na naman nangyari. So, we got TV here. No signal. Okay. Oh, bro. This is the best scenery pag bata ka, 14 or 8, 7. Pag ganito yung sunset, hula ko, kaagising mo lang sa hapon, and magmerienda ka, manonood ng TV. The best to para sa akin tong sunset na to eh, pag pula. Minsan na lang kasi mangyari. That reminds me of kabataan ko. Oh! Oh! Okay, akit tayo sa taas. Natin ma-interact yung phone. And 90s phone, I guess. Where is your room, boy? The freak? Ang dilim! Ang creepy naman. Okay, and this. Bro, wala bang switch? Lights dito. The freak? Ang creepy. Hindi talaga ako pupunta sa madilim na lugar. Yan ang kainahan ko eh. Okay? Ito may liwanag. So, this should be our room. So, saan yun? Books. Where's the... Oh, ito. Candy, radio. Ito, what the heck? Aquarium? RGB? Oh. Nothing too good this year. Just some small candies. Ta-ta-ta. Well, they were good enough for me to eat half the box. I hope the kids don't mind. Siyempre, ikaw may-ari ng candy. Pwede mo yung kainin. Yung kalahati ng box, then kalahati sa mga bata. I feel like watching some TV while I wait for the night to start. Should not be too long. Okay. So, dito tayo. Ano to ulit? Oh, CR. So, upo tayo dito. Okay. Yung remote ng TV. Bro, ang laki ng bahay nyo, tapos walang mga ilaw. Ano kayo, baon sa utang? Hindi kayo nagbabayad ng kuryente? 7:40 p.m. 7 na ng gabi. Okay. Oh, ta-ta-ta. Sounds like the trick-or-treaters are here. Much later than I expected. Maybe a short night after all. Ta-ta-ta. Well, I better answer the door. Okay. Wala bang shift? Oh! Hello. Happy Halloween. What a great costume. How did you manage to get that on your head? Okay. Just give me a candy. I'm too old for this. Right, I'll go grab it. Oh. Okay. There you go. Oh, binato. What the heck? What? Oh, may mga suman. Suman ng kabit. Nanood ba tayo TV ulit? Saan yun? Saan ba ulit? Sa front door? Sino yan? Uy. Bro, ang ganda ng costume mo ah. Trick or treat! Happy Halloween! What a great costume! Quite scary actually. I will grab the candy. Thanks! Bro, si Joker. Oh, pinato na naman. Alam niyo si ano? Si Eminem na nakaganon. Like, binabato yung like. Salo! Pag... Oh, Ken? Oy! Yun naman, Skull. Hi. Happy Halloween! Great costume. What a scary skeleton. I am a skeleton from your nightmares. If the skeletons gets good candy, he will no longer haunt your dreams. Alright, I'll grab your candy. Okay. Hello! Oh, see? Have you seen my younger brother? He forced me to put the skull mask on. He is oddly intrigued with skeletons. Not too sure why. He also has a skull mask on. Ta-ta-ta. If you had not already noticed. Yes, he came just before you. He said something about hunting my dreams. Damn, what has gotten into him lately? Well, if you got some candy, I would not mind a piece. It's the least I deserve after watching over my brother. I got you. Bibigyan kita kung ilan pa gusto mo. And kaya mo ba saluhin? Ay! What the frick? Bro, ito pa isa pa. Well, huwag niyo na akong istorbohin kasi manonood na ako dito ng favorite palabas ko. Kung ano man yan. Yan, traffic sa EDSA. Cubao. Okay, may bago na naman. May bago na naman Trick or Treaters. Tama ba? Oh. Oh, may bago nga. Hey there, happy Halloween. A spooky costume. Ooh, I'm a ghost. I see that. Would you like some candy? Yes. Okay. Hello, boy. Oh. The boy. Lagi. Okay. Oh, ayan, may pumpkin head. It's a trick or treat. Happy Halloween. You'd like some candy? Yes. Coming right up, buddy. Okay, naiya siya. Ano siya, introvert. Salo. The heck? Yan, labas na natin lahat para hindi na tayo kumuha. Bro, yung ba sabi mo kalahati ng packs? Di kayo maubusan. Ano to, Anli? Happy hello! Man, that costume is awesome. Oh. Thank you, kind sir. I must describe myself as a huge Halloween enthusiasm. I take great pride in my attire. Each year I produce something different. This year I choose a clown. Well, you did a great job. Even the way you move is quite creepy. Well, I try my best. I go grab you some candy. Appreciated. Oh, bait. Hello, boy. Bye-bye. Well, ang creepy nyo. What? Oh, it's a vampire. May mga bata nga. Happy Halloween, great costume. I've always been scared of vampires. Bruh. How old do I look? Just hand over the candy. At parang hindi ka bata, bro. Lublubing ka na, nagtitrick or treat ka pa, bro. Salo. Go get a job, bro. Hindi magtitrick or treat ka, hingi ka ng candy dito. Unemployed ka siguro. Kasi yung mga nahingi mong candy, ibibenta mo. Well, wow. Entrepreneur. Hi? Hi. Wow. Angas. Si So. Hey, happy Halloween, kid. Wait. There's candy here too. Yeah, of course. This place is a jackpot. What do you mean? It's giving out the simple stuff. What are you talking about? Your dad or grandfather is just outside of your backyard. It's giving out full-size chocolate bars. Full size. My parents are not home. Stand over the candy. Round 2. Bro, creepy. What the heck? Hello. Backyard. So the backyard is here, right? What? Hey, bro. What the heck? Who are you? Hey, what are you doing? Oh man. Just spreading the Halloween spirit. Remember where houses used to give out the good stuff? This is my house. Right. Well, no harm done. Bro, get out of my house, you freaking old man. Go get your place. Go get some place. What does the old man think he's doing? And why on my property? I should probably call mom and give her a heads up. Okay? So, ang creepy. Ba't may matanda doon na nagbebenta? Phone. Hey, honey, is everything alright? Let me guess. You ate all the candy and you ran out. No, mom. But something odd happened. What happened? Well, some old guy was set up in my backyard, our backyard, large candy to kids. He wasn't dressed up either, he was just wearing casual clothes. When I went out to confront him, he didn't say much and just left. He even left his setup on our lawn. You know what? You should not have to worry too much. He's probably just some lonely guy. If he didn't threaten you, it should be fine. Still weird though. Don't get me wrong. It is for sure. But don't freak yourself out. It's Halloween for goodness sake. People get odd. Alright, thanks mom. Just thought I'd check in. No problem, honey. If anything else happen, don't hesitate to call me. Okay, love you mom. Love you too. Bro, ang creepy lang. Ba't kasi may matandang bebenta sa yard natin sa likod pa? Like, hindi ba pwede magpaalam sa front yard? Like, sa front door, ganun. Like, both of you, magbigay ng candy sa mga, hindi ko sure. Well, nobody has come in the longest while. I think the night has ended. Or at least I hope so. I remember mom mentioning something about the front lawn. Something about collecting the wrappers. I think it's best I get that done now. The garbage bag is in the kitchen, I believe. Okay! Bro, si Michael Myers, kinabahan ako nun freaking garbage bag. Diba? Yeah? Okay, okay. Kaya nga. Bro, anong oras na? Ito ang suma, hindi man natin ibabalot. 1, 2. That's strange. The old man's setup is no longer here. He must been quietly packed up. Ano? So wala na mga bata, alas 10 na ng gabi. Tulog na. I think that's all. I should throw this away. Where naman? Oh? Tao ba? Wala. So, I'm feeling quite hungry. There's something left over pizza in the fridge from last night. I think that could work. I have to warm it up in the oven. Okay. So we can interact the ref now, the refrigerator. We get some eggs and milk. Kunin natin to. Oh, here's the oven. Kahit ano. Okay. Bro, ang sumusok pa. Pepperoni. Hindi. Let me guess. Ang tawag dito? Vegetarian? Don't know. I often eat on the couch. Well, at least when my parents are gone. Couch, here. Oh, there. Base, okay. So, kumakain tayo. Click, click, click. Nakakatakot naman yun na sa ano mo. Well, pag mag-isa ako sa bahay, tapos ganyan mga pinapanood ko, and natulog ako ng straight, may sleep paralysis ako. Like, bro. Pero pag na-sleep paralysis kayo, guys, ang una nyo gawin is, ang isipin nyo kayo, pag kinabahan, well, pag na-sleep paralysis kasi kayo, di kayo makakagalaw doon. So, makakakabahan ka, biblis yung heartbeat mo, di mo alam kung anong gagawin mo, di ba? Well, ano nun yung gawin, isipin nyo agad, huwag kayo matakot, kalma lang, and galawin nyo yung hilalaki nyo sa paa, yung ganito, di ba? Hilalaki nyo sa paa. Kasabay ko yan, ginaganon ko, and nakakawala ko agad. Share ko lang. That was mid. It had a strange aftertaste. I'm feeling quite sleepy. It's not that late, but I can hardly keep my eyes open. I should head upstairs and get changed. I keep my pajamas in the bedroom closet. Okay. Ito. Time for bed. Hopefully my parents arrive early tomorrow. Okay, tutulog na. Space. Well, sleep well, my boy. And you did a great job magbigay ng candy. What? Oh, that must be the water pump in the basement. I remember mom mentioning that it acts up. Ta-ta-ta. I better go check it out. Ta-ta-ta. Man, that piece of junk. Okay. Dito naman tayo sa basement na to. Ito ba yun? Ta-ta. I think I fixed it. Well, at least for now. Ta-ta. Of course, this happened when I just begun to fall asleep. I should get back to the bed. Bro, ang creepy. The heck? Sarado mo na to. Ah? Ah! Uy. It's Chinese. Give it back. Ano, you took it? Whoa. What are you talking about, kid? You took my candy. Snatch it and run inside your house. I saw you just now. What? Bro, kakabalik. Kabalik ko lang sa taas, inayos ko yung water pump namin. Tata, listen kid, I have no idea what are you talking about. I just got up from bed. And why are you out this late? It's almost midnight. Get back home, kid. You're seeing things. Okay? What did that kid think he was doing? Ringing doorbells at night? And why was he still awake? Tata, whatever. I just gotta get to bed. 1:30 a.m. Nagising ka na naman? Sleep paralysis ka? Tatata. My throat. It's so dry. Tatata. I can't sleep. Tatata. I need some water. There should be some in the fridge downstairs. Okay? Bro, at uminom ka na kanina ng tubig. Bro, parang na ang creepy na. Parang nakakatakot na bro. Fridge? Oh, yun. Okay, niinom natin. Tutunggalan natin. Okay. All goods. Tata, much better. I should head back upstairs. Okay? Ay, di. Sarado natin yan. Tataas konsumo natin sa kuryente. So, babalik na tayo sa tulog. Bro, ang dilim. Ang creepy naman ng bahay nyo. Ang laki tapos... Bangon. Bangon. Huh? Bangon, bro. Sino yan? What the heck? Bro, ang creepy niya. Nag-sneaky-pakey pa siya. Oh! Ano siya nakapasok dito? Di ka ba nalock ng pinto? Bro, pinapanood niya tayo. Bro, huwag siya maglakad. See? Nagdahan-dahan siya. What the freak, bro? Gising ka, oh. Bangon na. Nanginginig. Tata. It's that the old guy from earlier? He's in my house. So, we're gonna choose between escape the house or hide. So, kung magtatago lang tayo, hindi tayo makakaingin ng tulong. Kasi wala tayong telephone, nasa baba, nasa first floor eh. So, we're gonna escape the house. Outrun natin yan siya, guys. I need to get out of this house. Now, before that creep notices me. I need to run to my neighbor for help. So, yung old guy na yan, outrun natin siya. Okay. Tara, dali. Bro, what? Bro, nangihingi siya ng candy. Old guy from earlier is in my house. Okay, dito hide. Saan tayo nagtago? Oh! Sa ilalim ng kama. All goods. Please! What the freak? Old man. Ta-ta-ta. Where are you, kiddo? Ta-ta-ta. I've got some treats for you. I've got a chocolate bar and a bag of candy. Ta-ta-ta. Ta-ta-ta. Wag, please. Please, wag, please. Ito na lang ang option ko, magtago sa ilalim ng higaan. At buti na lang hindi tayo nakabanig. Kasi kung nakabanig tayo, alangan magtago tayo sa banig. Kaya ba tayo lumabas? Kaya na ba natin siya i-outrun? Well, nandito pa rin siguro siya sa, siya nagtago. Dali, takbo, bro. Takbo. Don't mind it. Sino nagtawag ng pulis? Kapitbahay ba? You have never felt so relieved to hear the sound of sirens. Turns out, the man across the street had been awake for a while. He could not sleep, so he was sitting by his window, just watching the neighborhood. Your parents had told him they'd be gone for the night and asked him to keep an eye on the place. Oh, so, well, my parents is the MVP, guys. Well, may kapitbahay tayo. Siguro kaibigan nila yung kapitbahay. Itong may-ari ng bahay, itong bida. And yung kapitbahay na yun, sabi ng nanay natin dun sa kapitbahay natin, pwede ba pakibanta itong bata ko? Ito ganyan, kung anong gagawin niya? Like, ganon. Like, buti na lang may ganon. Hindi tayo kinalimutan ng parents natin. Well, thank you. You've always been a little creeped out by him the way he'd stare too long. Oo nga eh. Like, yung matanda nakatingin sa atin na ganon. Buti nga hindi tayo ginalaw nung titignan niya palang tayo. Ewan ko, pero, diba nung una, pumasok siya sa kwarto natin, hindi tayo ginalaw, tapos bumalik siya, like sabi niya, may dala daw siyang bag ng candy, baka bibigyan tayo. Like, pumunta siya sa atin, diba? Tapos bibigyan nata tayo ng candy. Hindi ko lang alam. But tonight, he noticed something strange. He saw movement inside your house. At first, he thought it was you, maybe getting a drink or heading upstairs. But when he saw a second figure move behind you, he knew something was wrong. He called the police right away. By the time they arrived, the old man had already been in your house for a while. You've never liked that neighbor. Oh, so ikaw na bata kang pasaway ka, hindi mo gusto yung kapitbahay mo na yon. But tonight, he saved your life. So yung kapitbahay na kinaayawan mo, kinainisan mo, ewan ko kung anong meron sa inyo, tinulungan ka niya ngayon. They captured the old man quickly and later you learned he was an escape patient from a nearby secure facility. Well, maganda yung mga gantong game kasi nahuhuli mga gantong mga villain or mga magnanakaw, mga killer, ganon. He wasn't out to harm anyone specifically, but you were in a real danger. Okay? You've been saved. Other ending? Well, nagawa ko na yung other ending. Maraming salamat sa panonood and I hope nag-enjoy kayo and I hope na appreciate nyo tong video na to. And this is for Halloween event na sinasabi nila and naka 2 games tayo. Bonus yung isa, itong 1 Halloween night. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And yun lang, maraming salamat. And kita tayo sa next video. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye!